This is intended to help alleviate the significant financial burden faced by employers who have invested in recruitment, placement, and onboarding costs. In addition, the policy includes hospitalisation and surgical for domestic worker, extending beyond work-related injury to also cover illness. The scheme further provides weekly compensations for up to 12 weeks in cases where a domestic worker is medical certified as unfit to perform duties due to illness or injury. This initiative was developed in response to a structural gap in current domestic worker recruitment system. The objective of this insurance is not to commercialize risk, but to provide a fair and balanced protection mechanism for both employer and domestic worker. This insurance is designed to bridge up the gap and provide a more balanced protection framework.
So today you can witness first in Malaysia to launch a fully digital domestic workers insurance program, which is a group personal accident product, master policy holder by PAPA, and the distribution can be done only through the PAPA's membership and agency. This unique proposition of foreign workers insurance got 7 benefits, and the 2 benefits that's most outstanding is abscondment, which every employer in Malaysia face, where we spend so much of money, $15,000 to $20,000, and after a few months the maid run away, right? And as what Mr. President says, the warranty period is 3 months from the agency. With this extension of coverage, I believe it will give a peace of mind for the employers and also to the agency. The second main benefit that very unique and first in Malaysia as well is a benefit of medical hospitalisation and surgical. Admission into private hospital is being able to allow in this product. Through this partnership, PAPA member agencies will be able to offer enhanced value-added services to employers while improving worker welfare and reducing employers' financial burden from the medical expenses, accident, disability, and various.
No, there is a question from the floor in regards to the differences between the PKSO coverage and this policy insurance coverage.
Yeah, so but maid is actually considered as informal sector. So they even though they have subscribed for the PKSO, but PKSO only cover for insurance, not illness. So these fill up the gaps. So at least for moderate illness, at least you can cover at least in the public university, public hospital. Okay? So we have put in a lot of effort to negotiate with G-Mat, and G-Mat will negotiate your multiple insurance company. So that's why now today we achieve this historical moment.
Sir, is it compulsory for PAPA members to adopt, and also does the PAPA purchase for the employers, or do the employers purchase themselves?
We encourage the APS to purchase for the customer. So even though with a little bit cost, so we will talk to our members, ask them to purchase for them, because basically every agencies they have purchased the insurance for their customer generally So we hope that it will be purchased by the agency. Of course, we hope that the embassy will, if the embassy find that this is good, this is be beneficial to your citizen. So we hope that the embassy can make it compulsory. Can make it compulsory for the renewal and so on. So because we need volume to sustain this policy. So if we don't have the crowd to support this, so this insurance cannot sustain.
So the average premium for this benefit, the 7 benefit, is around 200 ringgit per year. So I think it's a very reasonable pricing that we have done. As you know that the market for foreign workers maid is not a huge like a foreign workers, right? So we always work on the quantum, that is average price.
Okay, second question, the repatriation cost, we believe that Pekeso also have some repatriation costs.
Yes.
So are you going to pay on top of the Pekeso claims or how is it
No,
going?
so it will be either one. First, I think Pekeso will pick up the initial things. Yeah. This repatriation that we have put in is only due to accident. Pekeso
So sickness, death, it doesn't cover the repatriation costs?
it covers under Pekeso, so that we didn't bring into this thing.
Okay, so repatriation is only due to the accident purpose?
Yes.
Not for sickness purpose?
Yes.
Okay. And then the death and permanent disability, what if the death happens during their holiday when they go back?
It covers in, as long they're in Malaysia, it's covered only in Malaysia.
Covers only in
Yes.
Malaysia. That means they, at any time they must be in Malaysia.
Yes. This product is uniquely designed, curated only for Papa agency members. And it is under a group personal accident product. So no other agencies can sell unless Papa become a member of Papa.
Papa give consent.
Or Papa give a consent for the agency.
Right, that's a good one.
So we wanted to regulate these things because we believe Papa is the main driver for this maintain the standard of these foreign workers made in Malaysia.
Right. So thank you very much. So